Daman-Ganga Pinjal Link. The present water demand of Mumbai is 4,484 million litres per day. The daily water supply to Mumbai is 3,985 million litres per day, including en route water supply to Bhiwandi and Thane, etc. Net water supply to Mumbai is 3,750 million litres per day. The estimated water demand for 2041 is 5,940 million litres per day. Mumbai receives water from 7 sources. Tulsi Lake supplies 18 million litres of water per day and Vihar Lake 90 million litres per day. Four sources located in Vaitarna Basin are Tansa Lake supplying 500 million litres per day, Modak Sagar Lake 455 million litres per day, Middle Vaitarna Lake 455 million litres per day and Upper Vaitarna Lake 635 million litres per day. The seventh source is Bhatsa Lake, located in Bhatsa Basin and supplies 2,020 million litres of water per day, which includes 655 million litres per day temporarily allocated to Mumbai. 42% of population staying in slums is being housed in planned buildings under Slum Redevelopment Scheme. Redevelopment of old structures and new developments have higher FSI facility. These will contribute to larger increase in water demand. To meet the deficit of 2,610 million litres of water per day in the year 2041, augmentation of water supply by Daman-Ganga Pinjal River Link is planned. Daman-Ganga Pinjal River Link project comprises two components. Component 1 is to build dam across Daman-Ganga River at Bhugad at the border of Gujarat and Maharashtra and dam across River Val at Kharghil in Maharashtra. 17 kilometers long tunnel to interconnect Bhugad and Kharghil dams and 26 kilometers long tunnel to connect Pinjal Dam to convey water from Kharghil to Pinjal. Component 2 comprises a dam across River Pinjal, 64 kilometers long tunnel from Pinjal to Gundavli to connect to the ongoing 14 kilometers long tunnel from Gundavli to Bhandup and additional treatment facilities at Bhandup Water Treatment Complex. Development of Daman-Ganga Pinjal River Link ensures water security to Mumbai to meet any eventuality now frequently occurring from deficit in monsoon rains. Smooth transition from intermittent water supply system to 24/7 water supply system to achieve zero contamination and equitable distribution. Daman-Ganga Pinjal River Link is being developed by National Water Development Agency under National River Linking Program. DPR is presented to the Government of Maharashtra. Estimated cost is 2,747 crore rupees. Pinjal project is being developed by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Estimated cost of Pinjal project is 14,390 crore rupees and total water supply available to Mumbai is 2,451 million litres per day. The Honorable Prime Minister of India is requested to declare Daman-Ganga Pinjal River Link project as national project with financial assistance of 2,472 crore rupees from Government of India and advise National Water Development Agency to implement the project on top priority. The Honorable Prime Minister of India is also requested to extend financial assistance of 7,195 crore rupees, 50% of the cost of Pinjal project, from Government of India to Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. It is also requested to advise the Ministry of Urban Development, Ministry of Environment and Ministry of Water Resources for speedy clearances.